works well. I could speak, when I'm at the gym, I could speak pretty softly and say it, and it picks me up. I can tell it to do whatever, go to the next track, play whatever song I'm thinking of, so that works well. The battery life, again, I'm not an all-day listener of these. I will listen to workouts or a couple of music or whatever I want to listen to, and I'll put them away. So I don't really push the limits on it. But what I've heard is you get, even with this noise cancellation, in about 4 hours. And then you can put it back in the case for like 5 minutes and get another hour out of the deal. I am very happy with this purchase. Yes, they're $250. Maybe they'll be on sale during Christmas. But that is my unboxing and review. If any questions, unlike, again, other big YouTubers, they probably may or may not answer you. If you ask me a question about these, I promise I will answer the best I can do. All right, that's a quick short video. Can't go wrong with Apple products. So have a good night.